Right now, this video is sitting in a building you'll never see, in a town you've probably never heard of. That's a data center, and almost everything you do online runs through one. Let me show you how they actually work. At its core, a data center is just a giant room full of computers. Not laptops. Servers. Think of a pizza box made of metal, stacked dozens high in tall racks, row after row, sometimes for the length of a football field. Each one is a computer with no screen and no keyboard, doing one job: storing data and answering requests. So here's the flow. You open an app and tap a button. That tap becomes a request that races through cables, hits a server in one of these buildings. The server does the math and sends an answer back, all in a fraction of a second. Multiply that by billions of people, and you understand why these buildings are enormous. Now, here's the part most people miss. Computers running full speed generate a staggering amount of heat. Cram thousands into one room, and they will literally cook themselves. So a data center is really two machines in one. Half of it computes. The other half is pure cooling. Massive air handlers, chilled water pipes, sometimes whole buildings of fans. In fact, a big chunk of the electricity isn't running the servers at all. It's keeping them cold. And these places never sleep. If the power blips for even a second, services crash. So they stack defenses. Backup batteries to bridge the gap. Then giant diesel generators that roar to life if the grid fails. Two of everything. So a single failure never takes the whole thing down. That's why your favorite site almost never goes offline. This is also why you keep hearing data centers in the same breath as artificial intelligence. Training and running modern AI models takes thousands of specialized chips working together, drawing the power of a small town. That demand is why companies are racing to build new centers near cheap electricity and cold weather, and why your energy bill and these warehouses are suddenly connected. So why should you care? Because this is where the money and the jobs are flowing. You don't need to build one to benefit from understanding it. Here's your realistic first step. Go look up where the nearest data center to you actually is. Search your region plus data center. You'll likely find one closer than you'd expect, often hiring for roles that don't require a 4-year degree, from technicians to security. Knowing this industry exists is the edge most people don't have. If you want more plain English breakdowns of the tech quietly running your money and your life, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.